Let's talk about Chaitanya Tamane's The Disciple.
भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीताला मार्गी संगीत उगीच नाही म्हणत.
The Disciple is about many things. It's about art and what it really takes to be called an artist. It's about fear. The fear that every artist has in himself about succumbing to mediocrity. Fear of corruption. That sinking feeling that you don't belong here. You don't have what it takes. It's about choices. Did you really make the choice of leading the life the way you're leading it right now? Or did somebody else make that choice for you? Your parents, your education, or the society? Or did your circumstances make that choice for you? It's about dedication. What does a life of pure dedication feel like? Is it really worth it? Does dedication bring happiness? But at its center, The Disciple is about devotion in its truest form and an artist's constant struggle, both internal and external, to keep that devotion intact. Here's why Chaitanya Tamane's The Disciple is one of the best films I've seen in this year. If you have been keyed into the festival circuit in the last 1 year, you wouldn't have missed the force that The Disciple has been. Anyone is talking about it. Right from the multiple Oscar-winning Alfonso Cuarón, who has come aboard as executive producer for this film, to the entire European Film Festival. So this film was the first Indian film to be invited to enter the main competition in the Venice Film Festival. The last one I think was back in 2001 when Monsoon Wedding made it to the list. This title also won the International Critics Award as well as the Best Screenplay Award in that festival. Right at the outset, let me be very clear that this film is not for many. Neither the story nor the setup or even the way it's shot resembles anything commercial. It's not a film that is made to sell to an audience, if you know what I mean. So there's no sell element here. I'd like to give you an example. When Sharad, our main protagonist, loses in a competition, the camera doesn't zoom to his close-up to give you his reaction. It stays where it was. Still, you feel his dejection. In fact, even more so. This film is almost like a meditation. The stillness and depth that you're able to achieve in this film is astounding. It's not a feel-good rags to riches story about a talented musician who against all odds comes up from being a nobody and achieves his dream through just on the basis of his extraordinary talent. No, this is not that movie. This is not Gully Boy. This is a story of a normal person, someone like you or me, who dreams of being a Hindustani classical vocalist. Someone who practices every day and tries his damnedest best to perfect the art. An art that he loves so much. Who immerses himself completely into this art. Who gives up a good part of his personal life for this art. Who, despite doing all that, never quite makes it. Because sometimes we love art so much that we forget that it doesn't have to love us back. Yes, Chaitanya Tamane's Disciple is that kind of film. We follow Sharad's journey from his mid-20s to his late 30s and a bit of his 40s, with flashbacks in between of his early childhood days, where he's introduced to the world of Hindustani classical by his father who trained him. He took him to concerts, made him do riyaz when other kids were playing. In fact, for Sharad as a kid, getting quizzed by his father's friends about various morning ragas in promise of a chocolate bar was common practice. Hindustani classical is the world he knows. It's the only world he knows. He is enamored by it and looks at it with rose-tinted glasses. Growing up, Sharad realizes that to be good in this art form, one needs to sacrifice. He has to let go of worldly pleasures. He has to be alone in this journey.
या वाटेवर चालायचं असेल तर एकटं आणि उपाशी राहायला शिक.
Throughout the way, whenever he feels that he's losing hope or lacks motivation, he hops on his bike with his headphone on and listens to Mai, a near mythical character, one who's only spoken about or heard from, never seen. Mai, apart from being his guru's guru and his father's guru, was a revered personality during her time. She's said to be the most accomplished vocalist on the Hindustani classical circuit. She is the one who's believed to have understood the real meaning of Hindustani classical. The world slows down when Sharad listens to Mai.
परमेश्वरापर्यंत पोहोचण्याची वाट दाखवली आहे आणि तो मार्ग प्राप्त करण्यासाठी त्याग हा करावाच लागणार.
Her teachings ground Sharad. It inspires him to not give up. Her disembodied voice looms large in his mind as well as the film. Sharad is self-doubting, but he's also proud of the path that he has chosen. He's arrogant, but also humble enough to take care of his guru, pay his bills. Aditya Modak, who plays Sharad, is a classical singer himself. He plays Sharad with a kind of grace that only someone who understands both forms of art, music and acting, can bring to the table. The director, well, what more can I say about this dynamite of a guy? True film lovers and followers of Marathi cinema would know him, but for those who don't, Chaitanya Tamane is all of 34 years old and is already been hailed as not only Marathi cinema's great but also even India's greatest directors, which is a big statement considering that he's only 2 films old. His first film is Court.
The accused Narayan Kamble, age 65, is charged under Indian Penal Code, Section 306, abetment of suicide in the...
That was released in 2014. It was a scathing commentary on the plight of human scavenging in India. But it was also a rap on the knuckles for India's antiquated legal system. Chaitanya tells that story in such a by-the-way manner that it works as a tight slap across your face. It's easily one of the best Marathi films that I've seen, and that's saying a lot. A riveting courtroom drama that I hope all of you have already seen. If you haven't, watch that film first before watching The Disciple.
का नाम है कोर्ट और मैं सभी लोगों को कहूँगा कि ज़रूर आप ये फिल्म देखने की कोशिश करें.
Court was probably the best film ever made in India. इतनी सच्ची.
मैंने कोर्ट देखी और मुझे नहीं लगता मैं कोर्ट देख के पागल हो गया. That's it. मुझे लगता है कि मैं ऐसे सिनेमा के हमेशा पार्ट होना चाहता हूँ.
With The Disciple, Chaitanya takes a more observant approach. We stand by and watch Sharad's journey. In a stroke of storytelling genius, pitches Sharad, our main character, against another classical singer from Bengal who is appearing in a music reality show, something like Indian Idol. Her rise and his fall goes hand in hand. Not a word is spoken, not an expression given, but the audience knows exactly what's going on. That's just a confident director just showing off. And that outstanding climax when Sharad finally makes a decision based on a realization that he always had. So if you like great cinema and want to experience the finer art of storytelling, then please don't miss this classic on Netflix. Hi guys, if you like the content that I create, if you like the reviews and recommendations that I give, then please hit that like button, because the more likes this video gets, the more it gets circulated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe. And if you really liked it, then please share it with your family and friends. You doing any of this would really encourage me to keep doing this. Goodbye, and as always, thank you for all the